Hey guys, welcome back. Asu's back. I'm back. How y'all doing? Welcome to another episode of all that. I have this 2021 TLC Acura. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. I'm gonna start the vehicle, press the brake pedal, press the start button. Car is running right now. Alright, you're gonna see that message, maintenance due soon, and all we gotta do is play with this thing right here. Not like that, pause. It says push the thing, this guy right here, push it to this mess. Okay, now we're just gonna scroll down like this, alright, until we get there. Alright, once you're there, press and hold this thing. Okay, press and hold it until you see this message. It's gonna take a minute though, but you'll see it. There you go. Alright, so you can do let's say item only one is for transmission, that's for tires, that's for oil. We're gonna do all of them, okay? So we don't have any messages bothering you. All do items right there. Click. You click this guy, and then that thing is gonna reset to 100%. Alright, all maintenance items reset. Alright, and that's all you do. You wanna go back, just do this, pop, like that. Alright, and then scroll up so you can see the menu and all that. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I see you in the next one. Holla at your boy Astu. I'm not Acura, I'm Audi.